Let's deploy your multiple Odoo environments on the same server using OEC.sh. First of all, log in with your OEC.sh account using email and password. Then click on New Project and create Project first. After that, enter project name and add a description. Then select your ERP version and click on Connect Repository. It will automatically connect it from Git. Then click on Repository and select your branch. And now click on Create Project. And your project creates successfully. Now we have to create an environment inside the project. First of all, enter the environment name. And select the environment type. You can see 3 types here: development, staging, and production. Choose which you want. Then in server assignment, select your server, then select CPU cores, RAM, and storage. Leave everything at ease, and in the last click on Create Environment. After creating it, deploy your environment by clicking the Deploy Now button. Your deployment will start, and it will take a few minutes to deploy. After deployment, your server is ready to use. Then click on Calculate Size. Here you can see how much your environment uses. You can also check logs, repos, settings, and backups. It's done. You successfully created your project and deployed it on your server.